हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू मेडिकल 360। वेल, नीट रैंक आपको कॉलेज तक पहुंचा सकती है, बट क्या वो कॉलेज आपके कोटा, काउंसलिंग रूट और बजट के अंदर भी आता है? यही महाराष्ट्र काउंसलिंग का रियल क्वेश्चन है। महाराष्ट्र में गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेजेस हैं, म्युनिसिपल और कॉरपोरेशन कॉलेजेस हैं, प्राइवेट अनएडेड कॉलेजेस हैं, डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं, इंस्टीट्यूशनल कोटा सीट्स हैं, एएफएमसी है, ईएसआईसी है एंड सेपरेटली एम्स नागपुर भी है। और सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र में लोकेटेड होने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हर कॉलेज महाराष्ट्र सीईटी सेल काउंसलिंग से मिलेगा। So today we are going to build a complete Maharashtra MBBS and BDS college map for 2026. Which colleges come through state CAP? CAP is what? It's basically centralized admission process. Which ones follow a separate central route? How many seats are available? And most importantly, government, private and deemed fees में कितना बड़ा डिफरेंस हो सकता है। वीडियो के एंड तक आप अपनी प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट को सिर्फ रैंक के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं, बल्कि रैंक प्लस काउंसलिंग रूट प्लस बजट के अकॉर्डिंग प्रिपेयर कर पाएंगे। एक इंटरेस्टिंग सिचुएशन इमेजिन करिए। एक स्टूडेंट को महाराष्ट्र में 3 पॉसिबल एमबीबीएस ऑप्शंस मिल रहे हैं। वन इज अ गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज, सेकेंड इज अ प्राइवेट स्टेट सीएपी कॉलेज, थर्ड इज अ डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटी। कोर्स सेम है एमबीबीएस, डिग्री सेम टाइप, बट फैमिली का टोटल फाइनेंशियल कमिटमेंट कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट हो सकता है। इसीलिए काउंसलिंग में क्वेश्चन सिर्फ मुझे कौन सा कॉलेज मिलेगा नहीं होना चाहिए। करेक्ट क्वेश्चन है जो कॉलेज मिल सकता है, क्या मैं उसकी कंप्लीट कोर्स फी अफोर्ड कर सकता हूं एंड क्या वो करेक्ट काउंसलिंग रूट में है। करियर्स 360 नीट कॉलेज प्रेडिक्टर के थ्रू रैंक बेस्ड पॉसिबल कॉलेजेस का इनिशियल एस्टिमेट चेक कर सकते हैं। काउंसलिंग गाइडेंस के लिए 8130376334 पर नीट सेंड कर सकते हैं, बट फाइनल चॉइस लॉक करने से पहले सीट मैट्रिक्स, कॉलेज टाइप एंड करंट फीस जरूर क्रॉस चेक करें। वेल, let's move ahead, but before that let me thank SRM University for sponsoring this particular video. अब रोड मैप सिंपल है। फर्स्ट, टोटल महाराष्ट्र एमबीबीएस सीट लैंडस्केप, then we'll talk about government and corporation medical colleges, and then government BDS colleges. Also, private MBBS and BDS colleges under state CAP, then deemed universities and separately counselled institutions, and finally, government, private and deemed colleges fees. This is what we are actually going to talk about. So, this is not just a college list. It is essentially your Maharashtra counseling and budget framework. Now, let's talk about the total MBBS seats in Maharashtra for the academic year 2026-2027. There are total of 87 medical colleges and 13,224 MBBS seats. The displayed breakup is 6,125 government side seats and 7,099 private seats. But students, one technical distinction समझना very important है। NMC's July 2026 UG matrix specifically says it excludes institutes of national importance. AIIMS Nagpur is an institute of national importance and independently confirms an annual MBBS intake of 125 seats. So how to talk about Maharashtra's MBBS capacity? NMC's listed colleges plus AIIMS Nagpur, that is shown separately, and AIIMS Nagpur को महाराष्ट्र स्टेट CAP में मत काउंट करिए because MCC conducts 100% MBBS counseling for AIIMS across India. अब गवर्नमेंट साइड को रीजन वाइज अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं। मुंबई और पुणे में सम ऑफ द मोस्ट एस्टैब्लिश्ड ऑप्शंस इंक्लूडेड हैं। If I talk about initially Grant Government Medical College Mumbai having a total intake of 250 seats, it's government type, it's written over here. Talking about SATE GS Medical College KEM Hospital Mumbai, yes, it is having a total intake of 250 seats. BJ Medical College Pune having an intake of 250 seats. Lokmanya Tilak Medical College Mumbai having an intake of 200 seats. Then we have colleges such as Solapur, Miraj, Dhule, Kolhapur, Jalgaon, Baramati. Government Medical College Nagpur, it is actually having, if I talk about it, a total intake of 250 seats. Indira Gandhi Government Medical College, Nagpur, it is having a total intake of 200 seats. Well, talking about Shri Vasantrao Naik Government Medical College, Yavatmal, having a total intake of 200 seats. Then Chandrapur, Alibag, Satara, Ratnagiri, Thane, and multiple newer GMCs expand the government college options significantly. स्टूडेंट स्ट्रैटेजी क्या होना चाहिए? टॉप ओल्ड कॉलेजेस को प्रेफरेंस में जरूर रखिए इफ योर रैंक सपोर्ट्स देम, बट न्यूअर गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस को सिर्फ न्यू बोलकर रिजेक्ट मत करिए. You need to compare the hospital patient load, infrastructure, faculty, hostel, connectivity, and how established the teaching hospital is. Also, have a look for these colleges too. Government Medical College, Amravati, Bhandara, Buldana, Washim, Sambhaji Nagar, Nanded. You can just have a look their intake, 100. Talking about the Government Medical College, Sambhaji Nagar, having an intake of 200 seats. Government Medical College, Nanded, having an intake of 150 seats. Rest, just have a look over here. Now talking about government कॉर्पोरेशन डेंटल कॉलेजेस. बीडीएस स्टूडेंट्स के लिए महाराष्ट्र स्टेट सीएपी में 5 गवर्नमेंट या फिर कॉर्पोरेशन डेंटल कॉलेजेस हैं. They are Government Dental College and Hospital Mumbai, having an intake of 125 seats. Nair Hospital Dental College, Government Dental College and Hospital, Government Dental College Nagpur, and Government Dental College Sambhajinagar. Just have a look onto their intake of the seats basically for BDS course. So total displayed intake is 376 BDS seats. And remember, these are the government or corporation state CAP options, not the entire Maharashtra Dental College universe. Now, let's talk about private medical colleges under state centralized admission process. First group में KG Somaiya Mumbai, Terna Navi Mumbai, MIMER Pune, Vasantrao Pawar Nasik, SMBT and Vedanta जैसे colleges listed हैं. Talking about the next set, it includes NY Tasgankar Institute of Medical Sciences, Punjab Rao Deshmukh Memorial Medical College, Dr. Rajendra Gode Medical College, MIMSR Medical College, Prabhani Medical College and RP Hospital, Dr. VVPFS Medical College, and just have a look onto their intake also. Many of these colleges are having 100 to 250 seats, which creates a substantial private seat pool. But private counseling में one major mistake avoid करिएगा. College मिल सकता है is not equal to college affordable है. Before adding any private college, check annual tuition fee, institutional quota fee, if applicable, hostel and mess fee, security deposit, and full course cost. Now let's talk about private dental colleges under state CAP. So this represents 25 private medical dental colleges under Maharashtra state CAP. Most have around 100 BDS seats, while a few have similar intakes. For example, Sri Vasant Dada Patil Dental College with 40 and Tatya Sahib Kore with 60 in the deck. The second group expands the list to Amravati, Akola, Nagpur, Sambhajinagar, Latur, Hingoli and Nanded. So BDS aspirants have substantial geographical options beyond Mumbai and Pune. Now comes one of the most important counseling distinctions. This deck lists major deemed institutions such as Bharati Vidyapeeth Deemed University, Medical College and Hospital Sangli, Datta Meghe Medical College DMIHER, Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, Dr. Patil University School of Medicine. So these should not be mixed with Maharashtra State CAP private colleges. MCC officially conducts 100% seats of deemed university. Now this includes Pravara Institute, Symbiosis, some newer private institutions, AFMC Pune and ESIC Medical College Andheri. AFMC has its own official MBBS admission 2026 process and brochure. So students must follow AFMC specific eligibility, screening and admission rules rather than normal Maharashtra CAP rules. ESIC Andheri is also a genuine government ESIC medical college. NMC lists it with 50 MBBS seats. Just have a look over here. And there is one missing institute that should be added separately, and that is AIIMS Nagpur, having 125 MBBS seats through MCC. Now let's talk about budget. MBBS tuition fee, if I talk about the annual tuition fee for government corporation aided colleges for the academic year 2026-2027, it's 1,66,000. Annual development fee is 5,000. For BDS dental colleges, it's 1,25,800 and annual development fees rupees 3,000. It also shows smaller admission, gymkhana, hostel and library charges. So students, I will actually recommend you one thing, that you need to recheck the latest official notification regarding the fees for the academic year 2026-2027. So if I talk about the additional charges for all the courses, admission fee 1,500, gymkhana fee 500, hostel fee 4,000, library fee 2,000 plus 1,000, one-time deposit plus per annum. Now let's talk about the private colleges for the academic year 2026 and 2027. Private colleges में one fixed fee figure exist नहीं करता, and that is what is written over here. Applicable private unaided/minority fees are regulated institute-wise through Maharashtra's Fee Regulating Authority (FRA). And FRA has already issued 2026-2027 fee proposal and institutional/NRI/management quota reporting notices. Institutional quota fee can differ from normal state quota fee. Deemed university fee is different again. So when a student asks Maharashtra private MBBS fee कितनी है, the correct response is college का नाम और quota बताइए. Because without those two details, one figure quote करना misleading होगा. Now, the biggest budget jump. Over here, we have shown the total course references above rupees 1 crore for several deemed institutes. For example, Bharati Vidyapeeth Medical College and Hospital Sangli. General quota fees is rupees 1.15 CR. Talking about Datta Meghe Medical College, Nagpur. General quota fees is 1.21 crores. The fee mentioned over here is for the total course of near about 5 to 5.5 years. Also, just have a look. D.Y. Patil University School of Medicine, Navi Mumbai, rupees 1.24 crores. Talking about Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Warda, having a total course fee of rupees 1.21 crores and the NRI fees is $1.67 lakhs. Talking about Mahatma Gandhi Missions Medical College, MGMIHS, Aurangabad. General quota fees is rupees 1.06 crore and the NRI fee, just have a look, it's $2.70 lakhs. So, before locking a deemed college, students should independently verify the tuition fee, hostel, security deposit, miscellaneous charges, annual fee escalation, and NRI fee wherever applicable from that university's current admission notice. A difference of even rupees 3 to 5 lakh annually becomes very significant over the complete MBBS course. So students, Maharashtra MBBS या BDS काउंसलिंग स्ट्रैटेजी को सिंपल रखिए. Bucket 1, Maharashtra State Centralized Admission Process, Government/Corporation Colleges. Bucket number 2, State CAP Private Colleges. Bucket number 3, Institutional Quota Options. Bucket number 4, Deemed Universities through MCC. 5th, Special or Central Institutions such as AIIMS Nagpur, AFMC and ESIC. Then every college को 4 filters से check करिए. वो 4 filters क्या हैं? Can I get it? Can I afford it? Which counseling authority handles it? Would I genuinely join it? Because counseling में biggest mistake सिर्फ wrong rank prediction नहीं होती. Sometimes it is putting the right college in the wrong counseling bucket. Careers 360 NEET College Predictor का link description में available है. फ्री काउंसलिंग गाइडेंस के लिए इस वेरीफाइड नंबर पर नीट सेंड करें। एंड चॉइस फिलिंग से पहले एक बात याद रखिएगा, लोकेशन महाराष्ट्र में हो सकती है बट काउंसलिंग महाराष्ट्र स्टेट सीएपी से हो ये जरूरी नहीं है।